Hello guys, welcome to ASP Hero. Today we are going to see how we can write a comment in HTML page. Okay, let's start. Okay, for a comment, we write some paragraph here in body part. Okay, this is a paragraph here, and let's add another. Okay, let's save it and check it out in browser. Okay, we have written two lines with paragraph. Yes, now we write a comment here. To write comment, at first we have to write exclamation sign and followed with two dashes, and you can write whatever you want here in comment section. This is comment, and to end the comment, if you don't end your comment, all the things below this line will be commented. Yes, to end the comment we will write two dashes and end the comment like this. Okay, now this is a comment and this won't be shown on the page, uh, in the output of the page. Okay, let's save it and run it. We refresh the page, we have the same result, but if you see in the source, we have this is a comment. You can write anything here inside the comment. It can be multi-line comment. Okay, no problem. You can write multi-line comment also. Okay, you can write anything whatever you want. Okay, let's check it out. Yes, this is multi-line comment. You can write any lines of comment here. Okay, in this way it helps us to write something, some comment on any section. Suppose there are many paragraphs, and if you want to give some uh, knowing things how you will come again, and let's say if this is very important paragraph, yes, and if you come again into your code in HTML and you want to know what this paragraph is about, then it will be very easy for you. Okay, okay guys, this much for today. Hope you learned something from here. This is very basic way of putting a comment in HTML. You can put comment in CSS also, JavaScript also, but the commenting there is a different way, and commenting here in HTML is different way. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.